welcome to the channel. I am filming with my tent. You guys will hear about it in every video, like the past 4 videos. I just have to figure out how to put it down, but Mama ain't got time for that. I just had to work because I've got to clean. Didn't make that roll, but anyways, I'm working on my beauty room, so be prepared, buckle up, because I don't know how the next few months are gonna go with all of that. So anyways, today we are unboxing my Ipsy paid for Glambag. This is a $13 a month bag, but after handling and after it all in tax is what I mean, it comes to like $16 or just under in Kentucky. So anyways, it came in a larger bag this month, which I'm like, wow, interesting. I don't know, but anyways, if you are new here, welcome to the channel. I ramble a lot, I take a lot of left-hand turns, and I will repeat myself, so buckle up, buttercup. Anyways, shout out and thank you to my YouTube members. Thank you guys so much for your love and support, supporting the channel. You choose to, but you don't have to, and I appreciate y'all. Thank you to those of you that are doing the new thing that YouTube has implemented, calling the thanks, where you're pretty much tipping the channel, helping to support the channel. Thank you guys bunches and bunches for that. And here is our bag. I think it's kind of fun personally. I like the green, the emerald green and pinky shade there. It's like a really soft pink. I like the material. It's kind of like a canvas feeling material, and of course you've got your nice little doodad there. I did get a card that does have my products in here. Now with this, it is deluxe size samples, and you typically get to pick, or you always get to pick one item in here. Honestly, I don't know. I don't remember picking anything this time, so we'll just see what I got. All right, so the first item is by Thread. It's a Color It lipstick. I don't know what to think about that. So it's a nice little crown, and that's cool, but this says it has an $8 retail value. It's a 2-in-1. Oh, it's a lip liner and lipstick in the most perfect nude shade. It does have a hydrating formula packed with jojoba and argan oils. Let's just see. Oh wow, okay, you know what, here I was judging a book by its cover. Is that right? I don't know. I actually like that. I actually like that shade, and I feel like if you feel like it's a little too warm, if you use like a pink undertone lip liner, like say Bel Air, Ecstasy, or even Sugar and Spice from OFRA Cosmetics, I feel like that would cool it down even more. So if you love OFRA Cosmetics as much as I do, definitely make sure to check out their lip liners. Code HOTMESS will save you like 30% over there, so thank you guys if you do use it. This actually felt really nice and creamy and hydrating, which I do like, especially going into fall. I don't want fall. I love summertime. I love summertime. I love the sun. I love the warmth. Ooh, okay. Anyways, moving on. The next item in here is by Korres, and this is the Poreless Skin Cream. I do believe, I think I gave this to you guys actually when it was sent to me in PR, but it's a nice deluxe size type of, I think it is just a mask, right? It's a take a mental vacay, a lightweight gel moisturizer. Oh, it's a moisturizer. Okay, and the deluxe size sample, full size is $39. You can use a nickel size dollop in the morning and in the evening. Now, I may just go ahead and try that because I do have some large pores. All right, next in here, we've got the Saturday Skin Wide Awake Brightening Eye Cream. I can't use Saturday Skin on my skin. My skin does not like it. The full size is $46, but I'll have to put this in a giveaway for you guys. Maybe I'll just stick it with the Ice Cream Beauty Box giveaway. So if you guys watch my Ice Cream Beauty Box unboxing, I did do a giveaway in there, so I am going to just set that over there for you all. If you want to enter into that, go check out that video. But that does say it's packed with antioxidant rich seed extract, or rich date seed extract. I mean, I'm sure it's really good, but I don't know, my skin seems to have a reaction to the light pink Saturday Skin. When it was in like a yellow, I did okay. but the pink, it doesn't work. So next in here, we've got the Dewy Blush Glossy Cheek Tint by Ciate London. I have received, I don't know how many of these, so I'm going to go ahead and put that in with the Ice Cream Beauty Box giveaway, because I know I'm not going to use this. This does have a $22 retail value for the large one. The biggest thing for me is I felt like it just disappeared. It does keep a nice little dewy glow to your skin, but the tint color just really doesn't show up on me. So I don't know, y'all may like this, it may work great for you, so I am going to just set it aside for a giveaway. And then the last item in here, which I gave away too, in my PR, is the Lottie London Quad. And honestly, I don't think it's a bad color story at all. I think it's perfect for the fall. Matter of fact, I think like it matches the lipstick great. But I have a lot of these little quads, and I'm going to just go ahead and gift this over to you guys. As far as the retail value, it does have a retail value full size of $8. I feel like Lottie London, it's a good makeup product or product line that is pretty affordable. I could be wrong on that. Let me know down below. But anywho, it came in a nice little bubble wrap, so I'll put that back in there. And I'll put that aside for you all as well. So if you want to enter into the giveaway, you definitely have to go over to my Ice Cream Beauty Box unboxing. I'll try and remember to link that video in the description box for you all. My darn it, my camera started flashing at me. Anyways, that is everything in this month's August. My brain just went poof, gone like a fart in the wind. As soon as that battery starts flashing at me, all thoughts go out the window. That is everything for the August Glam Bag unboxing. I don't think it was that bad of a unboxing. I mean, yeah, I'm giving some stuff away, but that's literally because I have it because of PR or what have you. But if I didn't, the only thing, well, the Saturday skin doesn't work for me in the Ciate London, so, you know, it's fine. It could be worse, right? Anyways, let me know your thoughts down below. I personally like the Glam Bag, and I feel like I've actually been getting really good things in the Glam Bag, and I feel like I've been complaining less about the Glam Bag than I have the BoxyCharm by Ipsy. Does anybody else feel that way? I don't know. Maybe because it's like after 6 o'clock at night, I'm tired, I need to eat dinner, and the battery's flashing. So I'm gonna hop off for now, but I hope everybody is having a wonderful, fabulous day. Check out the Ice Cream Beauty Box unboxing for August for the giveaway link. And once again, thank you to you guys if you made it to the end of today's video. Don't forget to check out my collection with OFRA Cosmetics. I'll have it linked down below, of course, for you all. Check me out on my other channels. Thank you once again to you guys, to my YouTube members, and to those of you clicking the thanks button. I'm on Instagram and TikTok at hotmessmomma4. And until next time, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Yay! I got it all out before the battery went out. Okay, bye! You're crazy for saying I should slow